My name is Tito Jed. Today we're going to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang. This will be Chu gameplay. Tatry natin ang puro Chu. Actually, hindi pa ako nakaka-top global. Hanggang dito lang ako sa Barangay Pasong Puti. Hindi ko pa nararanasang mag-pro para sa Chu. Chu. Joke. Nag-joke. Actually, mahilig ako sa mga Kung Fu fighters kaya si Chu ang binili kong heroes. Hindi heroes. Chu gameplay tayo. Kukumpletuhin natin yung training. Wow, training. English. Practice sa Tagalog. Pagsasanay sa Tagalog. If you know what I mean, guys. Nagalang shoutout sa aking 630 subscribers. Salamat po sa inyong suporta, guys. Pasensya na po kung matagal po akong hindi nakapag-record ng video at saka live. Dahil nagkaroon po ako ng ubo. Ang di sinasadya, halos 3 weeks na ata. 2 weeks, ayawan. Ngayon lang ulit tayo na magre-record ng ating full gameplay ng Chu sa Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Si Chu kasi para si Bruce Lee. Isa sa mga paborito kong artista na Kung Fu fighter. Kung saan na-master ko din yung isa sa mga moves ni Bruce Lee sa Kung Fu. Tama na ang daldal. Simulan na ang laban. Nangangati na ang aking kamay para mangbugbog ng kalaban. Chu. Wata! Knowing oneself is the worst.
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Wipe out all injustice in the world. Actually, ang word na yun, guys, ang Kung Fu talaga. Gusto ko ang karate, taekwondo, kung fu, kasama yung mga alam nila akong martial arts. Medyo may ubo pa rin ako. Actually, baka babawasan ako ni YouTube ng subscribers kung hindi pa ako mag-record ngayon. Tito Jed plays Chu. Excuse me po. May pagtitripan tayo. Si Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars ang puts. Actually, gusto kong KS ni, kill steal ni Bruce, Chu. Yung sisipahin niya sa area yung kalaban. Excuse me po. May ubo pa rin ako.
All troops launch attack. Okay. Launch attack.
Gusto mo akong matake dyan sa base ng kalaban? Actually, may cheat sa Mobile Legend na pwede kang dumiretso sa base ng kalaban tapos panalo ka kagad. Actually, madaming mga hacker na ganun. Isang tirahan lang ng tore ka, napuno pa yung tore ng kalaban, nasisira nila agad. I'm not like that player, you know. Wow, English. Hindi ako ganung player, naman duruga. Gagamit ng cheat. Never. Tito Jed nyo, hindi gumagamit ng cheat.
Knowing is not enough. We
Ang
must
cheat,
apply.
para lang yun sa mga talunan. Sa gusto lagi manalo ng Mobile Legend. Wata! Oh, wow! Hinahamon tayo ng Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars.
In the world of Kung Fu,
Bruno Mars.
defines the winner.
Actually, mga sinasabi ni Chu, quote yun sa kay Bruce Lee.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Sige, ano.
An enemy has been slain. We're ahead in gold. We're ahead in gold.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Asa, lol. Asa.
We're ahead in gold.
Si Tito Jed pang papatayin mo. Lol mo.
An enemy has been slain.
Mamaya ka sa akin, Bruno. Gagamitan kita ng special technique ng Jeet Kune Do.
Empty your cup in order to
Jeet
fill it
Kune Do
again.
talaga. Actually, ang technique ni Chu pang one shot, one kill na rin.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Tito Jet is back for more Mobile Legends. If you know what I mean.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Takbo.
Knowing is not enough. We must
Ano,
apply.
sige. Gulat siya eh.
Killing spree.
Bigla akong umatake sa damo.
An enemy has been slain.
What? Umiyok ba?
Empty your cup in order to fill it again. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ouch.
Slain.
Why?
I could not see
Why did I die?
the darkness.
Tito Jed nyo napatay.
Launch attack has been slain.
Tito Jed nyo napatay. Bruno.
Mega kill.
Namaya ka sa akin, Bruno Mars. Iba, one shot, one kill kita.
Speed defines a
Ulit
winner.
no? Nag-love shoutout sa 630 subscribers. Thank you po sa suporta. Nag-rap.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
What? Ah!
We're ahead in gold.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Your team destroyed a turret.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the
Defines the winner.
Empty your cup in order to
An
fill it
ally
again.
has slain the turtle. Monster kill. An enemy has been slain.
Nakala ata namang dungdung na to eh. Nagpapadali tayo sa kanila. Never. Never in your life. In short, in your dreams. What? Bahala kayo dyan.
Legendary monster kill.
Oh yeah. Tito Jed nyo lang sa Kalamagsu. Aha. Oh yeah.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Zero kill lang tayo.
Has been slain.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Not knowing oneself. That's the worst.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Akala ni Bruno makakachamba siya sa akin ng patay pa.
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary. Good game.
Good game.
Boxing Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order. Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Shut down. You have slain.
Oh yeah, 113.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Launch attack. Okay.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
True. In the world of Kung Fu, talagang nilagamitan ng speed at power.
Ally has slain
Speed
the
over
turtle.
power, ika nga nila. O power over speed, kung daw nagkakamali.
Our turret
After
has
3
been
weeks,
destroyed.
I'm back. I'm back in business. Oh,
Boxing
takbo.
is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Monster kill. Shut down. Enemy has been slain.
Not knowing oneself, that's the word.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
An
Alam
enemy
dyan.
has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
The man who defeated me has not been born yet.
Actually, si si Chu, para siyang si Bruce Lee.
Killing spree.
Meron siyang cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Alam niyo yun?
Launch attack.
Si Bruce Lee din, kapag lumalaban sa Kung
Team
Fu,
destroyed
o
a
sa kahit
turret.
na ng martial arts competition eh, may mga funny sounds siya na, oh, ganon.
An enemy has
Kasan
been
minsan yung mga
slain.
kalaban niya,
Launch
napiton.
attack.
Pero magaling na Kung Fu martial artist si Bruce Lee.
Empty
Nung
your cup
kapanahunan niya.
in order to fill it again.
Kira ulo, di man lang nakagam.
Down. Double kill. Mega kill. Team just double kill.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. New account lang to. Nemesis Gamer 2.0. Kasi napapatunan lang sa legend eh. Na-stack up na ako doon, di man lang makamit. Kaya nagbago na lang ng account.
Slain.
May nakita kasi akong tutorial sa YouTube kung paano mo mapapalitan yung account mo sa YouTube. Sa ML. Nang hindi dinedelt ang Mobile Legend bang mo.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Tama lang ang daldalan.
Attack the Lord.
Not knowing oneself, that's the word. Knowing is
Oh,
not
yeah.
enough. We must apply.
You have slain
No.
an enemy.
I really cannot believe that I can use that.
You have been slain. An enemy
Oh,
has
yeah.
been slain.
But darkness.
2, 3, 5. Kanina pa ako gigil na gigil sa Nathan nila. Actually, hindi mahalaga sa akin kung mataas ang kill ko. Pag 2. Mababa ang points ko.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines a winner.
22.8. Yete. Ang sama. Ang sama. Okay lang yan. Ito lang ang sign na I'm back. Tito Jed nyo is back.
Team destroyed a turret. Mega kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
The man who can beat me is
Your
not
team
yet
destroyed
born yet.
a turret. Initiate attack. Unstoppable. Shut down. Unstoppable. Double kill. Ally has been triple kill. Launch attack.
Knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Legendary.
Let's end this.
Launch attack.
Alright. This is Tito Jed. This is my first video of true gameplay on Mobile Legends. Bang bang. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily video and press the notification bell for you to get notified. Thank you. Wow, English. Sabay ganun. Okay lang yan. Basta nabog na si Laila at saka si Nathan, okay lang yan. Okay, let's end this video. And let's see.